Hello, hope all is well. Today I'll be showing you a quick basic rundown through my Blender to Roblox Studio workflow. For those who don't know what Blender is a free and open source 3D modeling software that can be used for creating things like art, animated films, motion graphics, and many more. Today we're going to be using it to make assets. For this walkthrough, you'll need a texture image, as well as a reference image. If you find that you are unsure of what keys I'm using, on the left you'll see a green mouse that will tell you all the keys I'm pressing. When you open up Blender, it should look like this. I'll expand the tools so they're easier to see. First, press A to select everything within the scene, then press the delete key. That should leave us with an empty canvas. Now, pinch the corners as I do to build the setup you'll need for modeling and textures. Then change the bottom view to UV Editor. Once you have the UV Editor open, drop your texture in the window. Press the Add button and spawn in a cylinder. Using the cross in the corner, you can change viewpoints and rotate your camera. You may also use Shift and the middle mouse button, also including the number pad keys. Change the mode to Edit mode, and alternatively, you can also press Tab. Let's start by using the Loop Cut tool. Cut through the middle, and then use the corner menu to change the amount of cuts. Then, change your selection mode to Edges. Select the lines, and use left click and S to scale the edges to the size and shape you desire. Press E to extrude. Once you reach the top, press I to inset, and then make a smaller hoop. Then, press E and drag downwards to create a hole by extrusion. Continue to do so until you're satisfied with the shape. You don't have to follow this exactly. After a shape is done, you move on to texturing. Press the highlighted button on the right side, and follow as I do. Once your texture is displayed on the model, go into Edit mode by pressing Tab. Select your full model in Faces mode. Then, right-click. Go to Unwrap Faces. Click Project from View. On the UV Editor below, adjust the grid to apply the textures in your desired way. Once finished, go into Object mode and right-click it. Click Shade as Smooth, unless you like the flat version. Now on to exporting. Simply go to the Export tab. Name your file, and make sure it's set to selection only. And then you're done.